Hello, today we're going to be making ragaliki or pirashki, however you call them. They're delicious. To that, we're going to need some eggs, sugar, yeast, some warm milk, some sour cream, melted butter, and lots of flour. So let's get going with the ingredients. Make sure your butter is melted room temperature or cooled down, and your milk is warmed. Those are important steps. Let's get going. In a small bowl, mix the eggs and the sugar until it is creamy, like so, combined together. In a separate bowl of a standing mixer, which I have melted butter, milk, and sour cream goes in. Now you can do this by hand, but I just have the convenience, so why not use it? Add in the yeast and the flour by portion, so little by little. And we're not going to completely add in all the flour in here. Just read the ingredients in the description box below and I'll explain how much to use. So use the amount that is listed. And then once your dough is like this, mixed, we're going to add in our eggs that we mixed with sugar. Pour in the eggs. It's going to look ugly and messy, I know, but it's going to come together and it's going to be beautiful. So you're going to come up with this, and yes, it's going to be very sticky. That's why you add the next 2 cups at least. So you can add more. I used a little bit more, but you just gotta see. As you can see, it doesn't stick to my sides anymore. That means the dough is awesome. It's ready to go. The dough is like really soft and buttery feeling, like oily feeling, so it's really cool. So it's pretty good to work with. And so we're just gonna grab a good section from the dough, roll it into a ball, and then we're going to roll it out and going to slice it like we would slice pizza. So do your best to make a perfect circle, and then slice like you would slice a pizza into triangles, and then use whatever jam or fresh fruit, but I like to do jam. Jam, I have black currant, and then so just close it up on the sides like so, and then we'll just roll and we're good to go. So, and then put it on your parchment paper, and then we're gonna let it to rise a bit. So I have it ready. I'm gonna cover it with the kitchen towel and let it rise until double its size, and got still more to go. Make sure you always keep the dough covered so it doesn't dry out. Put it to bake on 350, as you can see poofed up here already. Put it to bake 350. You can brush these with egg wash, or you don't have to. It's up to you. And then beautifully came out. Beautifully. They're so delicious and so soft. Like, you gotta try these. This is recipe from my auntie, and yeah, for a little thing, you can add sweet buns. Usually I do sweet buns, which is sugar syrup, and then you can also dip these into powdered sugar, which is another way you can do it to get some more sugary into your taste of the buns. These are so good. As you can see how soft it is and fluffy. Like, come on. Please like and subscribe. I hope you guys enjoy my videos, and I'll see you guys.